my name is Gregor Simonic. Today I'll do a little presentation of our family winery, Simonic Wines. It is situated in the southeast part of Slovenia, in White Carniola. We specialize in the production of sparkling wines. Today I have two our more popular sparkling wines here that we will taste later. Our sparkling wines are produced by the classical method. This means that they are all bottle fermented. This is a traditional method used in Champagne. With this we add the still wine, we put it in the bottle and we ferment it in the bottle, which gives us sparkling wine. I have two wines here, like I mentioned before. One is sec, so it's a little bit sweeter, and one is brut, so it's a little bit drier. One was aged for about 3 years in the bottle, and the second one was aged for 6 years in the bottle. So we will taste that they are completely different because of the aging process. Both are white wines. We use our own grapes, which grow here in White Carniola. We use primarily white grapes, which are Welsh Riesling, Sauvignon, Traminer, and we use a little bit of Kerner. We also use Blue Franconian for our rosé sparkling wines, which is a smaller production, but we mostly specialize in the production of white sparkling wines. Like I said, we're a family-owned business. Our yearly production is around 20,000 bottles a year. If we can just start the degustation by opening the bottle.
The best part?
The best part that you're all waiting. And taste it. So, cheers, or as we say in Slovenia, na zdravje.